Today we are going to see how the lights and the shadows are basically the main aspects of a picture. We tend to forget that photography is all about lights and shadows, okay, white and dark. So I thought this picture is a good example. This is the entrance of the subway in Milan, and it was a rainy day, so you see that the light was pretty bad. Um, I didn't have much mood around me, so I show you the final result, and we can see what I did. So um, this is my edit of the photo. Mm. And you can see that basically what I did is just bring back a lot of shadows to life, and this is the reason why I tend to shoot my picture underexposed. Sorry, because I think that when you bring back some of the details that were lost in the original photo, you tend to give more life to it. So you see that uh, the only major tweak that I did, you see I tweaked some exposure, some contrast, some highlights, but not that much. The only thing is the shadows completely blasted up. So this is the original. You see that there are some touches on the balance, but again, not this much. The real difference is bringing them, the black areas, up. Okay, you see how it gets more. Uh, I know it's really used to the term, but it's way more cinematic, because in cinema we are used to see not so oversaturated blacks and shadows. So um, what else did I do? I just lowered back some of the temperature, because you see the white balance was kind of I don't know, creamy. You can say creamy, because it was full of clouds. So I bring them back just a little to have some blue and some green back to life, and put some green in the white balance, in the overall white balance. And this is it. This is a really quick tip that I think it can be really useful, because we can go crazy, as you see on every picture, but there's no need sometimes. So as you see also in this photo that you can find on my picture, on my Instagram profile, sorry, this is the original version. And so you see that this kind of dark and shadows tends to I don't know, maybe close the overall feeling, and simply by bring some light in, you see it is the same tweak. When I try to go more creative, you see that I kind of invert them. So I found that I didn't like white too bright. I like them more pale. So this is it, and I hope you can find something useful. If you like, please like and subscribe to the channel. Have a good day.